What's the meaning of birthright? Birthright. Birthright.
Birthright. Birthright. Birthright refers to a right or privilege that a person is entitled to by birth, usually based on their social status or ancestry. In many cultures and societies, certain privileges or inheritance rights are granted to individuals based on their family lineage or social position. For instance, the British monarchy operates on the principle of birthright succession, where the firstborn child of the reigning monarch is the heir to the throne. This concept of birthright has been a topic of ethical and political debate, especially in societies with hierarchical structures that can perpetuate inequality and discrimination based on one's birth circumstances.